Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your creative briefs in ClickUp. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your ClickUp account. Navigate to the workspace where your creative briefs are located. Locate the folder or list that contains your creative briefs. Click on the three dots next to the folder or list title. Select the option to export from the drop-down menu. Choose the format you'd like to export your creative briefs in, such as PDF or CSV. Click on the Export button to initiate the download. Once the file has downloaded, check your computer's Downloads folder. Open the downloaded file to ensure all information has been captured correctly. Next, to create a backup in cloud storage, go to your preferred cloud service. Log into your cloud storage account. Create a new folder titled Creative Briefs Backup. Upload the downloaded file into the new folder. Confirm the upload has completed successfully. For added security, consider setting up automatic backups if available. Repeat this process regularly to keep your backups up to date. Now you can access your creative briefs safely stored in your cloud service. This process ensures your important documents are secure and easily retrievable. You have successfully backed up your creative briefs in ClickUp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.